Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is telling the truth or creating your truth. This is a very important topic because even the best of moments in your life, they sometimes just switch you over to negative instances, like you're enjoying a beautiful part of something. For instance, I was just going through how people have been appreciating my music tutorials, and it was so satisfying. But this same beautiful thing took me back in my memory somewhere, and I started remembering a teacher who was not so good, who was not so helpful. So you see, something beautiful in your life, instead of reminding you about more beautiful things in your life, it has taken me to an opposite emotion for a while till I was aware of my emotion. And so this inspired me for this topic actually, because inadvertently we start thinking of things which do not, they just don't matter to us anymore. What do they bring in your life? They bring past negative energy in this moment when you are creating your life. So when a beautiful incident or a beautiful experience, a beautiful emotion took me back into something just the opposite, just the very negative emotion about somebody in my life, a teacher, what is it doing to me? It is bringing past negative energy in this present moment, and so I am not creating my future in any way. I am just reliving that past moment, that past negative energy, which is of no use actually. Another thing is, you reiterate in your mind as if you are a victim, though you are not. You have come miles ahead from there. Any particular incident, negative incident, does not have any kind of correlation with whatever is happening in your life, because now you have created a beautiful, successful life, and these people are not even a part of your present life. But still, the memories, sometimes they are there in one of the drawers. So all you have to do is purposely sit and delete these memories from your life so that they never return. Press the delete button so that all you have is beautiful memories. Now the question is, it was the truth. It was one of the truth in my life, a negative experience. But what is essential? This is what this video is all about. What is more important, to talk about the truth or to create your future? So you can use your thoughts, which will create your vibrations, and the way you are creating your thoughts, the way you are thinking, will create your near future. So when you are thinking about something you deem as the truth, it is not helping you in any way, because you are reliving that past negative energy, and so more of such incidents will come into your life. Maybe this person rings you back, so you are bringing these people, energy, experience, emotion, everything negative back into your present moment. But once you delete this, and now it doesn't exist in your memory anymore, you make a conscious effort, an effort with absolute awareness. No, I'm not going to go back to these people and to these memories. That is a choice I make in this moment. Now they will never come in your life, because this is a choice you have made and you must stand by your choice. Now what happens is, you become a deliberate creator, as Easter egg says. You become a deliberate creator of your future. Now you think of how you would like your future life to be like. What kind of people do you want to be surrounded by? What kind of experiences would you appreciate in your life? and then you create such experiences, all positive experiences where you are appreciated, the right people come into your life, the right opportunities show up in your life, and then that is what you call success, happiness, joy, inspired action, and lot of inspirations, creativity coming in your life. And once you are creative, what happens is this flow of energy which is going on in your environment, physical and mental environment, that is giving you lot of well-being, happiness, satisfaction. So who created this? You have created it. Your vibrations are high because you are doing what you love to do. Your thoughts are pure and positive because you are choosing your thoughts in this now. How did you choose? You made a choice not to talk about. You made a choice not to think about what was the so-called truth of your life. Instead, you made a conscious choice to create by imagining, by thinking about only those instances where you feel joyful when you think about them, people, places, experiences, emotions. So everything, even if they belong to your past or to your future or whatever is happening in the past, present and future, you are choosing. You are choosing from these experiences that are right there in front of you. Past experiences, so you choose out only what is required, the good ones. Present, you choose to focus on what is beautiful in your life. It will never be perfect, life will never be perfect, but you choose all that is beautiful in your life, people, places, emotions and experiences. And when you think about your future, plan about your future, then also you make a conscious choice of imagining beautiful thoughts, imagining how your dreams have become true, feeling how you would feel when everything has actually manifested in your life. So this is how you choose. So the lesson that you take from this video is what actually serves you more, telling the truth about your life? No, it does not serve you at all. But choosing the beautiful parts of your life as far as your past, present and future are concerned, and deleting all that is not useful, all that doesn't serve you anymore. That is how you create your future. So always remember to be aware of where your thoughts are being directed at any moment of time, in this present moment, of course. So this is the present moment where you have to catch yourself as you go into your past or as you visit your future in your imagination. Catch yourself if you take the wrong way, if you take the wrong path, if you align with the wrong energy, be it in the form of people or experiences or anything. So it's all again about awareness. It is a sort of meditative way of living your life. Absolute awareness in this present moment as to what you are thinking, what you are speaking, how your self-affirmations are, and the quality of your actions. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. My message for you is I love you and I send you my love and blessings. May all your wishes come true. Many of you are seeing lot of angel numbers. I saw angel numbers just before my channel, Sanchita Pandey, picked up, and both my channels started monetizing. I dreamt a very vivid dream that I was just floating on the air. I didn't have to do anything. It was like everything was so easy, and I said I would like to come to this park every day. Here I was above the ground, floating in the air. So these angel numbers are absolutely true, they are signs from the universe. So if you are seeing these angel numbers, do check out my videos on angel numbers. They are very interesting, and they are my experiences also, as I have seen and experienced these angel numbers. So I wish that all your dreams manifest fast. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me here in this video. I love you. Namaste.